Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I want to talk about an issue that I had with my 2015 Jeep Rubicon. I was out the other day, it was a pretty cold day. I was doing some repair work on my Bobcat and I took my Jeep out and I left it run, and I got back in it and I was getting a code that kept beeping and the check engine light was flashing, and what it said was hot oil on the screen. So what I did was I brought it back up to the garage here, I ran the code scanner, and what I ended up having was a U0101 code. So after doing some digging and research online, one of the common issues is if you do something different with your steering geometry, your suspension, if you're rock crawling, you can actually sever and cut the wire that actually goes to the transmission control module, which is what a U0101 code actually is. It is lost communication with the transmission control module. So I checked that, my harness was fine. I looked at all the wiring underneath the Jeep, everything was perfect. This part of the harness can sometimes get severed, probably by the drag link there. The Jeep was sitting there idling in 4 high, so I thought that might have had something to do with it, but later I came to find out that the actual issue was the relay. There's a relay under the hood in the fuse box. Okay, so K5 is the relay that I changed, and I just swapped it with K11, radiator fan low relay. So it's actually right here, this relay and this relay. So I just popped this one out and switched it with this one. So this one is actually bad now. So I'm gonna put the new one in. So once again, this relay right here was the one that I changed that was bad. That is actually controls the power to the transmission control unit, and that relay actually went bad. So I swapped it out, put a new one in, and it completely fixed the issue that I was having with the power loss in communication to the transmission control module. And all I had to do was clear an engine code after that, and I didn't have any issues. A quick fix that I did to actually try that was there was another relay under there that was the same exact relay. I think it controlled the low speed of the radiator fan. So I switched that out with the transmission control module fuse, not the fuse, but the relay, and it actually took the code right away, instantly. So that's how I knew that I had a bad relay. Prior to that, I pulled underneath the steering column, there's a panel that I pulled off, and I unplugged and plugged back in the transmission control module underneath the dash. That didn't do anything. So my last final thing that I tried was just changing that relay, and for whatever reason that relay just went bad. I ordered another one on Amazon, and now I'm good to go. So I just wanted to make this video to let anybody else know out there that has a U0101 code that if your wiring harness is fine, there's a relay in the fuse box under the hood that you could change and see if that fixes your issue. I'll put up on the screen here a picture of what actual fuse it is, where it's at in the fuse box, so you guys can check that out. I noticed on some other, just from what I was reading online, that it's a common issue with, I think, like even like some Dodge, Chrysler products, Challengers were having like the same issue. So it's definitely one thing to try before taking your vehicle into the dealership. But yeah, that's going to pretty much wrap up this video. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you guys next time.